Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 2. In this video, I will explain about types of morpheme.
Morpheme can be defined as the smallest meaningful morphological unit of language that cannot be filtered, divided, or analyzed. In other words, morpheme can be described as the minimal unit of meaning.
Okay, any two types morpheme. The first, free morpheme. Free morpheme is a morpheme by itself, can function as a word in AEL language, or a morpheme that can stand alone as word. Example: happy, art, phone, hope, etc. This morpheme divided into lexical morpheme and functional morpheme. And the second, bound morpheme, is a morpheme that must be attached to the word. They are prefixes, suffixes, emphases, and circumfixes, affixes. This morpheme divided into derivational morpheme and inflectional morpheme.
Okay, I will briefly describe about lexical and functional morpheme. So, lexical morpheme is a set of ordinary nouns, adjectives, and verbs. This morpheme is almost the same as content words, as they carry the meaning or the content of the message that we try to convey. In this morpheme, we can freely add new examples. Some of them are like sincere, open, follow, boy, and sad. And then functional morpheme is a set of conjunctions, prepositions, articles, and pronouns. It is almost the same as a functional word. In this morpheme, it's not impossible to add new examples, but it's rarely done. However, some of the examples are like near, in, the, that, and but. Thank you.
Derivational morpheme. This type of morpheme changes the meaning of the word or the part of speech or both. Derivational morphemes often create new words. Root plus derivational morpheme is a new word with a new meaning. Usually change the grammatical class. Examples: the first is bound morpheme like IVY are added to a base. A new word with a new meaning is derived. The second is pure plus IVY is purify. The third is pure plus cation is purification. And the last N plus derivational morphemes is adjective, or boy plus ISH, etc.
The next material is inflectional morpheme. Inflectional morphemes are found morphemes that have a strictly grammatically functional. Inflectional morphemes never change the stative category of the words or morphemes which they are attached. Inflectional morphemes have grammatical meaning or functional in the sentence. They never change part of speech. Explain. Example: 1, 2 is connection with a verb and infinitive with to, or to infinite plus verb. And the second, both morpheme is us, it, and it. He said the ocean blue. Dania has said the ocean blue.
Affixes. Affix is morphemes that comes at the beginning prefix, or in the middle infix, or the ending suffix, or around circumfix. Prefix: to, an, by, miss, this, etc. Suffix: to, are, in, each, etc. Infix: it's morphemes that are interspersed between other morphemes: to, an, freaking, believable. Circumfix morphemes attached to another morphemes but initially and finally. Example: MIT, to permit, commit, admit. Save, to preserve, preserve, conserve, decide.
Okay, the next material is roots. Roots is a morphemes that cannot be analyzed into smaller parts. A morphemes, which is the basic parts of a word and which may, in many languages, acquire its own, has an individual lexical meaning common to a set semantically related word or words family. For examples, paint, painter, read, reread, to write, write, writing, act, etc. Bio, biology, biography, and biopsych. That's all.
Discuss main material that is stem and basis. Stem is formed when a root morpheme is combined with an affix. Stem is that part of a word to which grammatical, inflectional affixes are added. It may consist amongst other. Example: root, belief, verb. Stem, belief plus able, believable, adjective. Basis is a form that can access affixes. A base is any unit to which affixes of any kind can be added. The inflectional affix, synthetic reason. Derivational affixes, meaning and or grammatical category.